Step into a world where every click captures emotion, depth, and beauty. The best digital cameras for photography in 2025 redefine how memories are preserved: vivid, sharp, and full of life. Whether it's a fleeting smile or a breathtaking sunset, these cameras transform ordinary moments into timeless art. Designed for dreamers, creators, and storytellers, they awaken your passion to see beyond the lens and feel every frame come alive with soul-stirring perfection. Number 1. Yatao Digital Cameras for Photography and Vlogging. The Yatao digital camera for photography and vlogging brings every captured moment to life with stunning clarity and emotion. Crafted for dreamers who love to create, this camera lets you express every thought through vivid imagery and lifelike color. Whether you are recording travel memories, filming your daily vlogs, or taking portraits that speak from the heart, it turns ordinary scenes into unforgettable visuals. Its elegant black design adds sophistication while remaining easy to carry anywhere your creativity leads. The Yatao camera helps beginners feel confident behind the lens and inspires every shot to tell a unique story. Perfect for YouTube creators and travelers, it connects seamlessly to share memories instantly with friends and audiences. Each photograph feels alive, filled with detail and depth that reflect your true perspective. This camera does more than capture pictures, it preserves feelings, experiences, and stories that words cannot express, giving every moment a timeless glow that touches the heart. Number 2. 4K Digital Camera for Photography Wi-Fi. The 4K digital camera for photography captures life with breathtaking clarity that stirs emotion in every frame. Designed for creators who see beauty in every moment, it transforms daily experiences into cinematic memories that feel alive. Its vivid detail and smooth performance bring your imagination closer to reality, turning each picture into a heartfelt story. Whether filming travel adventures, personal vlogs, or quiet moments that deserve remembrance, this camera helps you express emotion through every click. Its compact design fits effortlessly into any journey, allowing creativity to flow wherever inspiration appears. The sharp focus and gentle tone of each image reveal layers of feeling that words cannot describe. With effortless sharing through Wi-Fi, your art reaches the world instantly, connecting emotions beyond borders. Crafted for storytellers who believe pictures hold power, this black camera becomes more than a tool, it becomes a trusted companion for capturing dreams, preserving emotions, and holding memories that last forever in pure brilliance. Number 3. 4K Digital Camera for Photography Autofocus. The 4K digital camera for photography autofocus brings your imagination to life with every captured frame. Created for those who love to express emotion through visuals, it turns each click into a vivid story filled with light, texture, and feeling. Every photograph reflects your inner vision, preserving emotions that words cannot describe. Whether documenting adventures, filming creative vlogs, or saving once-in-a-lifetime memories, it transforms moments into lasting art. Its compact form makes it perfect for travel, allowing inspiration to follow wherever you go. The smooth detailing and vibrant tones awaken a sense of wonder, making each shot feel alive. For teens discovering their creative side or creators sharing their world online, it becomes more than a camera, it becomes a partner in storytelling. The graceful black design mirrors modern simplicity while holding the power to capture truth and beauty in motion. Every image created carries emotion, connection, and meaning that stays in the heart forever. Number 4. 5K Digital Camera, 64MP cameras for photography and video. The 5K digital camera brings imagination to life, turning every captured moment into a story filled with feeling and depth. Created for dreamers and storytellers, it transforms ordinary scenes into visual art that touches the heart. Each picture carries emotion, bringing memories alive with warmth and brilliance. Whether capturing family moments, travel adventures, or creative projects, it gives every image a sense of life that words cannot express. Its detailed clarity and smooth focus help you see the world with new meaning, inspiring confidence and creativity in every shot. Designed for those who love to share their journey, It connects effortlessly and makes storytelling natural and expressive. The sleek body reflects elegance while delivering the freedom to create anywhere your vision takes you. Perfect for photography enthusiasts, vloggers, and travelers, it helps preserve moments that stay forever vivid in memory. Every photograph taken becomes more than an image. It becomes a lasting emotion woven with light, beauty, and truth. Number 5. 5K digital camera for photography. Wi-Fi 64MP autofocus dual lens. The 5K digital camera for photography captures life's true essence, turning fleeting moments into unforgettable visual stories. Every frame reflects emotion, color, and warmth that make your memories feel alive. Designed for creators who see beauty in every corner, it inspires you to explore, capture, and share your world with confidence. Whether filming personal journeys, creating artistic projects, or preserving meaningful moments, it transforms your vision into pure brilliance. Its smooth focus and vivid clarity breathe life into every detail, revealing emotions hidden within each shot. The compact design fits naturally into your hand, making it easy to carry creativity wherever your heart leads. Ideal for vloggers, photographers, and dreamers, it brings together performance and elegance in perfect balance. The sleek black finish gives it a timeless appeal while helping you express feelings through every click. More than just a camera, it becomes a trusted partner in storytelling, preserving joy, passion, and inspiration within every captured image.